Some conditioner in there. I'm about to sit up under my dryer for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse this out, blow dry it, flat iron it, and then clip my ends. But I do want to show you guys what I use in my hair as my hair conditioning cream. I've been using this for the last month, well, maybe the last couple of months, because I did have the braids in my hair, but I did put this in my hair. So now I'm about to go ahead and blow dry my hair. This is the only product that I put in my hair when I'm flat ironing it. I don't put anything else in my hair. This is the only product that I put in my hair when I'm flat ironing it. And you can pick this up pretty much anywhere, like your hair stores. I always get mine from Sally's, and it's not too much. It's about $2.99 or $3.99 is one of those. It's really not too much, but this is the only product that I will use flat ironing anybody's hair, and that's including my own. And this stuff works really good. It's heat protectant. I mean, I love this stuff. I don't even know what else to tell you. I've been using it for so long. One of my friends introduced me to it, and when I did her hair with it, I fell in love with it, and I've been using it ever since. So what I like to do with my hair is just turn it down. Let y'all know this blow dryer has been everything to me, okay? So don't come for my blow dryer. I know I got tape on it. I know that. This blow dryer I got at a yard sale, and it literally cost me $2.99. And I've had this blow dryer for, how old is my baby? She's 4. So I had this blow dryer for almost 5 years. are the Revlons. They heat up to about 55 degrees. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and ask me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys, peace and love. Peace and love.